Today we will study to calculate the perimeter or circumference and the area of a circle. Today we will study to calculate the perimeter or the circumference and the area of a circle. This is a circle whose center is O and the radius is R unit. Also, the diameter, that is the longest chord of this circle, which is equals to 2 times the radius, is given by D. Here we can write it as radius is equals to small r, diameter, that is equals to small d, and it is equals to 2 times the radius. So the perimeter, or we can say the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, and the area is pi r square. Here we have to remember that the value of pi is 22/7 until and unless it is given in the question that we have to use the value of pi as 3.14. जब तक क्वेश्चन में गिवन नहीं है तब तक हम पाई की वैल्यू 22/7 ही यूज करेंगे. Now let us see an example based on perimeter of the circle. The radius of a driving wheel of an engine is 1.75 meter. How many revolutions will it make in traveling 22 kilometer? Now here we have to understand that when the circle or the driving wheel completes its one revolution, that is its move from here till here, that is it completes one round, it will come again to this position, then the distance covered, this distance covered is equals to its circumference, that is it is equals to 2 pi r. So we can say in one revolution, when it has started from this point and it has come again to this point, then in one revolution it covers the distance equal to its circumference. So we can say first we will calculate the circumference of the circle, or we can say the driving wheel. Here we are given that the radius small r is equals to 1.75 meter. So circumference is equals to 2 pi r, that is equals to 2 into 22/7 into 1.75 meter, that comes out to be 11 meter. Now we can say that in one revolution the distance covered by wheel is equals to 11 meter, and we have to find how many revolution will it make to cover 22 kilometer. So we can write again that in 11 meter is covered in one revolution. So 22 kilometer, that is equals to 22,000 meter will be covered in 22,000 into 1 upon 11. That will be equals to 2,000 revolution. Since it is covering 11 meter in one revolution and it has to cover 22,000 meters, so it will be equals to 2,000 revolution. It will or we can say in 2,000 revolution it will cover 22,000 meters. Next example, a piece of wire is in the form of a rectangle, measures, which is rectangle which is measuring 52 centimeter into 36 centimeter. It is cut at one place and bent in the shape of a circle. Now we have to find radius of the circle. In this question we have to understand that when the rectangle is cut from one side, that is, if I cut it from here and open it, it will be converted into a wire of the length equals to its perimeter, and again I have to use this wire to make a circle, and in this case the length of this wire will be equals to the length of the circle. That is, जितना लेंथ वायर की है और वो लेंथ किसके बराबर है, वो लेंथ बराबर है perimeter of the rectangle, and we have to form a circle with the help of this wire only. So the perimeter of this circle will be equals to the perimeter of the rectangle. So we can first find the length of the wire that will be equals to perimeter of the rectangle, that is 2 times length plus breadth, that is 52 plus 36 centimeter. That comes out to be 176 centimeter. Now this 176 meter is equals to the perimeter of this circle. So we can write it as 2 pi r is equals to 176 centimeter, and we will substitute the value, or we can first find the value of r. We can write r as 176 upon 2 into pi. So it will be equals to 176 upon 2 into 7 upon 22. That is the reciprocal of pi. That comes out to be 28 centimeter. So the radius of the circle that is formed by the wire is 28 centimeter. Let us see an example based on area of a circle. We are given two circles, one with radius 5 centimeter and other with radius 7 centimeter. We have to find the area of the shaded region. So it will be equals to the area of the outer circle minus the area of the inner circle. So let us calculate the area of outer circle. That will be equals to pi r square, that is 7 square. Then the area of inner circle, that will be equals to pi into 5 square. Now area of the shaded region will be equals to area of outer circle minus area of the inner circle, that is pi 7 square minus pi 5 square. So we can take pi as common. It will be equals to 7 square minus 5 square, and we can write it as 22 by 7 into 7 plus 5 into 7 minus 5. It will be equals to 22 by 7 into 12 into 2. That will be equals to 528 by 7 centimeter square. Let us see one more example based on area and perimeter of a circle. It is given that the area of two circles are in ratio 16:25, and we have to find the ratio of their circumference. So we know that area of one circle upon area of other circle is equals to 16 upon 25. We can write it as pi r1 square upon pi r2 square is equals to 16 upon 25. Pi will get cancelled by pi, so we can write it as r1 square upon r2 square is equals to 16 upon 25, or this will implies that r1 upon r2 is equals to 4 upon 5. We have taken under root. Now we have to find the ratio of the circumference, so we will write c1 upon c2, that will be equals to pi 2 pi r1 upon 2 pi r2. Now 2 pi will get cancelled by 2 pi and it comes out to be r1 upon r2 only. So just now we have calculated the value of r1 and upon r2, that is 4 upon 5. So r1 upon r2 will be 4 upon 5. So the ratio of the circumference, that is c1 upon c2, will be 4 upon 5. We can say that c1 is to c2 is equals to 4 is to 5.